flew on the days and a dozen times ago. I reached down one night and you were gone. Don't know why you're running, what you're running to or from. All I know is I want to bring you home. So I'm walking in the rain, climbing for a ride on this lonely Kentucky back road. I've loved you much too long, my love's still strong, but you go, never knowing what went wrong. Kentucky rain keep pouring down, and up ahead is another town that I've been walking through, with the rain in my shoes, searching for you in the cold Kentucky rain, in the cold Kentucky rain. Closing for the ground, some old gray bearded man sitting on the bench outside the general store. They said yes, he'd been here, but the memory wasn't clear. Was it yesterday? No way, the day before. And finally got a ride for the preacher man who asked, were you bound on such a cold dark afternoon? And we drove